Hi everyone, I am very happy to get back to you in this new video to explain how to navigate faster through the AntsRoute interface and avoid unnecessary page scrolling with new keyboard shortcut. To get started, you can access the list of keyboard shortcuts available from your AntsRoute account by clicking on the Shift and question mark keys. Now, I'll show you some of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. In the route organizing module, you can start route optimization by clicking on the O and Alt keys on Windows or O and Option on Mac. As soon as your routes are optimized, you can lock them using the Ctrl and L keys. Thanks to the keyboard shortcuts, you can now add a work order from anywhere in AntsRoute by clicking on O and Control on Windows or O and Command on Mac. More shortcuts will be added to the interface in the near future. And if you want to be the first to know about our latest features and updates, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact our support team directly.